Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you exactly how to create a letter portrait using Photoshop CC easily with using new Photoshop tools like quick selection. I'm using this technique a lot to create outstanding designs for my client, so it's really practical. I hope you will like it. So if you're curious how to do it, let's move to desk and make some decent stuff. So the first thing we need to do is create our new file by clicking new file, create new, and I will set dimension for 1920 by 1080 and click create. Okay, after we get new project, let's bring our photo to a workplace. Copy photo to our workplace, press Command or Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, as you see, the image is too large. We need to scale it down by clicking Command and T and scale it down. Oops. Once again, and scale it down to make it match our workspace. For font, I will use BARLOW. You can find it on Google. It's free to use, so check Google Fonts and type BARLOW. Or you may use another font you like Play for Display or Helvetica or Arial, whatever you like. Okay, I type J and I want to set the size much bigger, for example like 600 points. Okay, 600 points looks okay for me, or maybe a little bigger. 700 points. For me it's okay. Now I want to make J letter much bolder, so to make it bold, double tap on letter and press Command and T shortcut. Now you will see a window with character, and now we want to set it to black italic, or maybe bold. Bold italic is fine. Okay, another thing we need to do, and this is really cool, I want to cut our girl from background. So to do this we need to use a tool which is called object selection tool, and you can press W on your keyboard or select it from left bar menu. To use it, just select a woman, and now take a look. It makes selection for us. It's super fast. After recording a whole video, I forget to remove ladder from behind. Forgive me this. I hope you enjoyed the video with the ladder in my back. To make a preview how it look like, just press select and mask on the top of menu. To get better preview, I will set transparency much higher and make it overlay. Now I see that the edges are not so good everywhere. I want to fix them, and it should be quite easy. The hat is okay, but shoulders, arms are not so good. So to fix this, just play with those settings here. So the first thing, I want to make contrast much higher. It's a bit better, and feather and contrast even more higher. Okay, okay, and okay, it looks fine for our project. Press OK, and now we have our selection. And as you see, the edge here on the shoulder, it's not perfectly fitting. So if you want to fix this, I highly recommend pen tool. So press P on your keyboard or select pen tool from left bar menu, and everything you need to do is just making a path around shoulder to fix it. Okay, to add selection to our previous selection, go to paths and press Command and Shift and left tap on our path that we made previously. Okay, it's fine now. Second arm looks good, hair looks good, and hat looks good. So now press Command Ctrl J to duplicate our object. Okay, so right after you duplicate object, you need to hide layer below. So I will call the layers girl crop and another layer like girl background and our J letter. So deselect girl background, drag our girl cropped image, and now we are on the right way. So scale it down with holding Alt on your keyboard and place somewhere you like this maybe. Looks pretty good. Okay, fancy stuff is coming now. It's really simple method. I swear it's really simple, so check it out now. We need to crop our layer to J letter, so hold Alt, and now after you put your mouse on a layer, you will see a small arrow with a square. Click now, we will have cropped our layer to J letter. Duplicate our girl, another one, and make the name girl mask. Okay. To make our mask, click add vector mask below layers. Press B on your keyboard to select brush and brush everything you don't want on your image. So in this case I will brush her right shoulder and bottom part of the image. Okay, and it's pretty good and it's almost done. I will play a little with the background of a layer here for something nice, like maybe blue. Okay, this looks really nice, very soft. So there is one thing I would like to add, and it's a shadow to our layer, so it will more pop up from the J letter. So take a look now. It's simple as well. Double tap on girl cropped. You will see layer style, and now check drop shadow. Now you see here a little shadow and here little shadow. So okay, now take the color, send blend mode to normal, and opacity something around, oh, too much, 50%. It will. Another thing you can do is is adding the text to the image. So to add text, place T on your keyboard and start typing. Oops, I select J letter previously, so as I made previously. So once again, type letter. In this case, I will set size for 150 maybe. Letter. Okay. Text. Make an theme italic maybe. Oh, this looks much better. Letter. And like 170 looks fine. Letter and below portrait. So for this, for font below, I will go with 100 points. Okay, so I made some changes. I take a letter heading, change this font size for 280. Okay, and the portrait will be uppercase, all caps, press option all caps, and letter distance for 200. Change the font color to make it a little better. Okay, now we have it. Just simple. Letter color. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. So if you liked it, smash subscribe button and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and see you soon.